Maintaining a good relationship with your customers is crucial for any restaurant owner. One way to do this is by keeping their information up to date in your customer relationship management or CRM system. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a new customer in Sapaad's CRM system so you can easily track and manage your customer data. Let's get started. On your Sapaad account, go to CRM. To add a new customer to your CRM, start by entering their phone number in the search field. The system will then check if the number already exists in your database. If no matching customer is found, simply click on the Search button and click on New Customer. Enter the customer's name and, if provided, their alternate phone number and their email address in the relevant fields. Under the Delivery tab, enter all the necessary details marked with an asterisk and select which delivery area the customer belongs to. Typically, these are areas or zones around your restaurant to which your restaurant delivers. To set up, rename, or remove a delivery area for your branches, check out our related video on adding a new delivery area in Sapaad POS. Based on the customer's delivery area, Sapaad will automatically assign the appropriate location or branch of your restaurant. Click Save. Meanwhile, under Store Pickup tab, customers have the option to select their preferred pickup location from the list of available pickup locations. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new customer to your CRM. Make sure to check out our video on how to customize loyalty earnings for menu items in Sapaad. Want to learn more? Click on the link below to book a demo.